Airclips.com.
Checklist below the line, please.
Crew, take your seats now. Packs,
On.
transponder.
TRA.
Before takeoff, check is complete below the line.
Thank you, sir.
Atlanta 375, wind 180 degrees, 2 knots, runway 25 left, cleared immediate takeoff.
Immediate takeoff, 25 left, Atlanta 375.
Set thrust, please.
Thrust set.
Check.
B1. Rotate. Positive.
Gear up.
You're coming up.
Flight center autopilot, please.
Autopilot left, come in.
Atlanta 375, identified, contact 136, 130, chief.
136, 130, Atlanta 375. Langen, Atlanta 375, Cindy 1 Foxtrot, planning through 1600.
Atlanta 375, good evening. Plan by exit, flight level 110.
Climb level 110, Atlanta 375.
Fly level 11. Fly level 110 set.
Check. Check. Yeah, I couldn't hear you there.
You have a speed limit on the DSID?
Affirmative, it's max 250 below 10.
And you have 210 up to this point, 137. So if you can ask if you can have a free speed.
Will do.
Thank you.
Atlanta 375 requesting free speed.
Atlanta 375, well established on course to MTX 3 speed.
When on course to MTX free speed, Atlanta 375.
So basically we are now on course
Yes.
to Amtix.
Checks.
So we can disregard the 210 speed constraint.
Check.
Airclips.com.